sauna. It's also part research for me. So I will let you guys know. Hopefully they'll let me record in there regarding the benefits and whatnot. And it's free advertisement for them, so hopefully they won't mind. Other than that,
in 1,000 feet, turn left onto Plaza del Amo.
So correction, this is not the infrared sauna. This is the cryotherapy. So a big difference between hot and cold. I was looking forward to the hot, but I'm about to go freeze myself. Jesus Christ, I hate cold. But I need to see what the hype is all about, so that I can speak from experience. Alright, so hopefully my battery doesn't shut off because I really don't have that much left on here. But it's actually called Reveal Wellness. And it's right there. Let me see if I can show you guys. Alright, so here we go. It's in this shopping area. So it looks like they have a lot of stuff. Oh, they have thermal imaging. Oh my gosh, this might be the spot that I needed to come to. Yes. They actually have a lot of stuff. Okay.
Therapy looks. So this is how the chamber looks itself. It's from your neck and down.
Okay.
As you're in there, you want to keep your head high so you won't inhale all that nitrogen.
Okay.
And slowly rotate in there lightly so you can get the full effects of it.
Okay.
Okay. Alrighty. Let me provide you with a robe, shoes, socks, and gloves. Okay.
Okay.
So here is your robe, your socks, gloves, and your little shoes. So I give the patients.
Okay.
I give the patients a few options. You can either change in the back bathroom, and bring your stuff in here after, or you can put it in a locker. I can provide you with a locker, and you can put your stuff in there. Whatever is more convenient for you, really.
I'm gonna leave it right here.
Good. Okay. So I'm gonna get this. Oh, you're good. I'm gonna get it ready for you as you're going changing. Do you happen to have a wire in your room? Yeah.
Yep.
So go ahead and remove that because I don't want you to get frostbite.
Okay.
Next appointment, next future references, you want to use like a sports bra just so you won't like get any frostbite.
Okay. And then for a first time person, do I need to, what should I expect?
Okay, so I'm going to actually start you up at the lowest level. So it's level 1 for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Level 1 is negative 90 degrees Celsius. That makes it like negative 120 Fahrenheit. So it does get cold in there, but I don't just leave you in here. No, I actually, I'm here with you at all times. Like I said, I start you up at 2 minutes. So I'm trying to talk to you and I'm trying to let you keep your mind off of things. And before you know it, it's like 1 minute down, 1 minute to go.
Well, just know I don't like cold, but I'm just trying this.
No worries, no worries. I'm not a cold person myself. I actually hate the cold. It's really good for inflammation.
Right.
It's really good for any type of pain you have throughout your body. Really good for detoxing yourself as well as weight loss.
Right. Okay. So at this point, I'm just changing.
Yes. So I'm gonna. What? How tall are you?
I just say 5'4".
5'4". Okay. Because we want your head to be out that chamber. Okay. So it's gonna be your neck and down. Give me a second. I'm gonna start it up and you can change it. Okay.
Alrighty. And what was your name again?
My name's Lisa.
Lisa. So that's Lisa, you guys. So if you guys come on over here, if you guys get a chance to come on over here to Reveal Wellness, then you can talk to Lisa and she'll help you out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous because I hate the cold, but I do know the benefits, so we'll see. Come here. So I guess these are for if you're short, you gotta stand on those. And this is the cryo. And this is the machine. As you can see, the nitrogen is coming out of there. I've got, of course, instructions there. And this is the gigantic ass tank of nitrogen. Alright. Oh, I wanted to show you. So they give you little shoes to put on, gloves, socks, and this robe. So I'm about to change, and I'll talk to you guys in a few. Alright, here it is. I'm robed and got my socks on. And now I gotta just put on my gloves and then open the door. And we'll talk about the policies later. Alright guys, so that was me in there. As you see, my feet prints were still on there. Oh my gosh. It actually wasn't as bad until I got to the 2-second, almost 10, 15, she said 15 minutes left. Whew, good God. Then I was starting to panic a little bit. So, that is it. I wish she could have, she was talking to me the whole time. Hold on. Okay, this video is gonna be all this way, this way, this way, because I had to get it when I could. But I literally had little icicles on my hairs, on my arms, but it immediately went away when I came out. That was an experience. 2 minutes only. Yeah, I think that's all I could handle for right now. But they said they're gonna give me a 15% off, I think, or $15 off of any service I want to try. So I'm probably going to try the infrared sauna so I can experience that. And so that means I'm only paying $10, so I think it's $25. Alright, so I will see you guys in a few. I wanted to see the facility. But anyway, these are the cubbies with the stuff here. And then these are the lockers. And they do have a bathroom. Great. Hope my battery doesn't cut off. And looks like she said it's a total wellness center. The owner is an acupuncturist, so looks like everything wellness over here. And they got supplements, foam rollers, essential oils. Beautiful picture. Got gel protein powders. Oh, they got a deodorant. All natural stuff. Nice. And this is the front desk. Everyone seems very nice here. So, is this, is it possible?
There have the bathrooms and of course the doctor's office.
Okay.
Right over here is where all our workshops happen. That including like yoga, meditation.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, we just started Pilates this year. So all our workshops normally started this year. All our calendar is on our Reveal Wellness website.
Okay.
So it's revealwellness.com.
Okay.
It lets you know the times there as well, and like description of the workshops. And what we're
Okay,
gonna have.
that's cool. It's so funny you
this-
guys are here and I pass it all the time.
Yeah, this is an infrared sauna.
Okay.
It fits up to 6 people in there.
Oh, Jesus, really?
But I have patients that just come by themselves or with their
looks
spouse. Yeah, it's pretty small. The difference between this one and a regular sauna, like at your normal gym, this is an infrared sauna, so it gets into a lower tissue level that it detoxes you like in a great way.
Okay.
This also comes with the chromotherapy, so while you're in there, all the lights kind of change colors. You can actually pick a color, a specific color, if you want to, like, for example, work on inflammation or pain.
Sounds like the chakra color.
Yeah, you would go towards the blue. So it's all that.
Cool.
Pretty cool. And then, of course, all of our rooms. I can show you, for example, this room isn't being used right now.
Okay.
This is like a double room for the doctor. Like I said, we work with the doctor. She's also an acupuncturist.
Right.
She has a PhD in metaphysics.
Okay.
And all of the rooms are just basically different colors. Nice, nice, warmy.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, hers are nicer than the ones I've been to. And are
of
these
course,
the
right
massage
over
ones
here,
too?
This would just be like different modalities that she helps, you know, depending
Oh, I
on the
remember
treatment.
that one.
This would be a T-zone,
She
so like a
has
shaking
this too.
machine.
Yeah, I've been on this one before.
That's when you want to work out but don't want to work out. You just want to stand there.
Just get shaked.
Right.
All that lymphatic stuff gone. Cool.
Yeah. So the doctor we work with, her name is Stacy Sumner.
Stacy Sumner.
Stacey
I think
Sumner,
I've
and
heard
then,
of that before.
We have different schedules for like our massage masseuse. Unfortunately, right now we kind of missed the morning one.
Oh, that's
So
fine.
she's not in today, but you know, she goes. They all go based on appointments here.
Mm-hmm. That's like, I'm actually a therapist myself, so.
Really, that's awesome.
So I'm like, yes.
You're like a wellness center next to my house.
Yeah, I'm really surprised because I'm
And normally
always.
this would be the prices for like the cryotherapy, like if you wouldn't have found it online like you did. And of course the infrared sauna right there.
Okay. Actually, I will take a picture. 'Cause